Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Azure. Excel is a widely used desktop application, perfect for individual data management, quick calculations, and creating visual reports on your local machine. It's familiar and accessible for many users. Azure, on the other hand, is a powerful cloud platform, offering a vast suite of services from databases to artificial intelligence. It's designed for large-scale, complex operations and provides immense scalability and global reach for businesses of all sizes. When it comes to data handling, Excel is excellent for datasets up to about 1 million rows per sheet, making it suitable for many business analyses. However, its performance can slow with very large files, as it relies on your local computer's resources. Azure, conversely, is built for massive scale. Its various services, like Azure SQL Database or Azure Data Lake, can process and store petabytes of data, distributing workloads across many servers, offering unparalleled performance for big data challenges. For collaboration, Excel allows multiple users to work on a single spreadsheet, especially with its online versions, facilitating teamwork on shared documents. However, managing complex workflows or large teams can become challenging. Azure is designed for enterprise-level collaboration, enabling global teams to work seamlessly on shared data and applications in real time. It offers extensive integration capabilities, connecting with thousands of services, ensuring a cohesive and efficient development and operational environment. Deciding between Excel and Azure often comes down to specific use cases and cost models. Excel is perfect for individual tasks, small project management, and quick data insights without significant infrastructure investment. Azure is the go-to for building scalable web applications, complex data analytics platforms, machine learning models, and global enterprise solutions. Regarding cost, Excel is usually a fixed software expense, while Azure follows a flexible pay-as-you-go model, meaning you only pay for the resources you consume, which can be highly cost-effective for dynamic workloads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.